Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. E2 elimination with ATOH heat, acting as base solvent under heating conditions, effectively an E1 or E2 elimination. The substrate is 2-bromo-2,3-dimethylbutane. Let me reread the structure. The starting material is CH3C, CH3, 2CH, Br, CH3, which is 3-bromo-2,2-dimethylbutane. The carbon-bearing Br is C3 adjacent to the neopentylite quaternary carbon. Actually, let me number carefully. C1, CH3, C2, C, CH3, 2 quaternary to methyl groups, C3, CH, Br, C4, CH3. So the compound is 3-bromo-2,2-dimethylbutane. For elimination, the H can be removed from either 1, C2, but C2 has no H. It is quaternary attached to 2CH3, C1 and C3. So elimination toward C2 is not possible. 2C4 removing H from C4, the CH3 at C4 gives the double bond between C3 and C4 producing 2,3-dimethyl but 2Na, CH3, to C is equal to C. Wait, C3, C4 double bond gives CH3, C, CH3, 2C is equal to CH2. No. Wait, C3 is equal to C4 double bond, C2, CH3, 2C3 is equal to C4, H2, this gives CH3, 3C, CH is equal to CH2. That would be 3,3-dimethyl but 1Na. Alternatively, if we consider the structure again, the Br is on C3, the CH bearing Br. Beta carbons are C2, no H, quaternary, and C4, CH3, 3 H's available. Elimination toward C4 gives C3 is equal to C4 double bond, CH3, 3C, CH is equal to CH2. But C2 has 3 methyls attached making it CH3 to C. The product from C3, C4 elimination is CH3, C, CH3, 2CH is equal to CH2. Wait, Zaitsev's rule states that the more substituted alkene is the major product. Since elimination can only go toward C4, C2 has no beta H, the only elimination product is CH3 to C, CH3. CH is equal to CH2 neopentyl type 3,3-dimethyl but 1Na. But the answer is B, which is 2,3-dimethyl but 2Na, a trisubstituted alkene. This suggests a carbocation rearrangement occurs. Under ATOH heat, E1 conditions apply. The secondary carbocation at C3 can rearrange via 1,2-methyl shift from C2 to C3 giving a tertiary carbocation at C2. From this tertiary carbocation at C2 elimination of H from C1, CH3 or C3 gives the more substituted alkene. After 1,2-methyl shift, carbocation moves to C2 giving CH3, C+, CH3, CH, CH3, CH3, 2-methylbutane, 2-vial. With the extra methyl, this tertiary carbocation can lose H from C1 or C3. Loss from C3 gives CH3, C, CH3 is equal to C, CH3, CH3 2, 3-dimethyl but 2Na, trisubstituted, more stable by Zaitsev. Loss from C1 gives CH2 is equal to C, CH3, CH, CH3, CH3 less substituted. Zaitsev product is 2,3-dimethyl but 2Na, which matches option B, the trisubstituted internal alkene. Options A, C, D represent less substituted or non-rearranged products and are not the major product under E1 conditions with rearrangement. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.